Hi guys, welcome to the 27th Foundation Day of BNCA. And as we complete 26 years of our existence, I'm sure the journey ahead is going to be as fulfilling and as progressive and as full of achievements as well. Uh, so far, it has been very satisfying, and I'm sure times will be better very soon. We're doing this online because we all know the situation, but we thought it's customary to visit the college on this day today for some of us at least, offer our prayers to our beloved Anna, and then have Dr. Kashyap sir cut the cake uh, for marking the birthday of BNCA. We finished 26 years, and that's a long journey, and I'm sure the most thrilled person is Kashyap sir because that is how he had started it long back with all the enthusiasm, vigor, and passion. And he's taken that small seed to become a huge tree today. And we must all, I think, clap hands for Kashyap sir here for uh, his relentless effort towards taking BNCA to its heights today. It's been 26 years. He's been the founding principal, and there are founding team members also here who have contributed to its growth since its inception. Shubda ma'am, Shruti ma'am, and then there are teachers who have worked for more than 20 years here, and somebody like me who's just been here for 10 years, but I associate myself with the BNCA family as much. So this is a small BNCA family of the large BNCA family we otherwise have, including all the students and teachers and staff members who couldn't be here today. So maybe someday, like sir said, when things get back to normal, we will create a huge party here. We'll host a huge party for all of us, and we will enjoy it as if it's the birthday of BNCA then again. So I'm going to request Kashyap sir to offer his uh, prayers to Anna, and then we'll have the cake cutting. Lighting the lamp here to mark the auspiciousness of this occasion. Yes. Our beloved Ingve Maushi. Yes. We're really happy that faculty members and our admin staff could join from home here. The whole idea is to make sure that this presentation, this ceremony is shown live to the students later on. So we are going to send this link across to them. I think Atole sir, senior most here around. Which sir is there? I think Atole sir is the most experienced one here, but the youngest at heart. Yes. Umesh sir. Shubda ma'am. Sudha ma'am, Shruti ma'am have been with PNCS since its inception. So they joined as young teachers and now they are most experienced in the veterans here. We have Mridula ma'am from Accounts Department offering her prayers to Anna. Shilpa ma'am. This also marks the 125th year of the existence of MKSSS. So I think our whole idea of empowering women through education, which was laid by Bharat Ratna Maharshi Damodar Keshav Karve, I think he deserves all the prayers and all the respect that we could offer to him. We are asking various department heads and various representatives of various departments to come and offer their prayers here. Thank you. Yes. Just taking our times to offer our prayers to Anna. And then we have the cake cutting ceremony. That's our birthday cake today. Just a small representation, actually. So all these arrangements were done today as an impromptu idea of making sure that the celebration mode is not missed. And we wanted that kind of atmosphere created. So balloons were arranged by all our support staff. Everything was arranged as if it would have been, had all you girls been here, faculty been here to celebrate this important day. Generally on 8th of August, we do the oath taking ceremony for the new elected council. Of course, this year it's going to be a little delayed, but all our new student heads are elected on this day, which soon will be announced, and we'll be having elections, and then we'll have formally our induction of our student council. He's just controlling all of this. Sir is just making sure that we are following all the correct norms by the distance. Good to go. Should we have the birthday song for BNCA? Okay, the God is also blessing us with rains now. Happy birthday. Wonderful. I love the enthusiasm our support staff has. They make sure that everything is a mini celebration by itself. I think all of us are, I'm sure, as thrilled and as happy for this day. Sir, I'm going to take this occasion and announce the art competition winners. Yes. Vinayak, background. So yes, I'm going to take this opportunity to announce the art competition winners hosted by our BNC Art Club. Amruta ma'am was coordinating this, and we had 4 jury members for 3 competitions. Professor Deva Prasad, Professor Anupama Bapat juried 2 of the competitions, and the written competition was juried by Dr. Niti Trivedi and Professor Shruti Ramtirthakar. So the winner of the competition 1, where the signages were to be designed, is Ketki Bhatt from 4th year. The winner of the second competition, where the poster was to be designed for acknowledging the COVID warriors or COVID heroes, the winner is Kea Jain from 3rd year. And for the writing architecture competition by the art club, there are 3 winners at same position. So there is no first, second, third as such, but 3 winners. Ishita Singh from 4th year. There is Ruchika Zadav from 2nd year. And Urvashi Vaiswade from 3rd year. So there are 3 winners for the written writing architecture competition. So certificates will be given to the winners separately, and also there is participation certificate for all the participants who participated in the 3 competitions. We look forward for more entries in all the other competitions to come. Thank you girls for being such a sport and taking part in all our BNC activities and events. Today morning we had more than 150 students attend the webinar of landscape architecture as well. So it's good to see on Saturday also the girls are keen enough to join in some academic sessions as well. So thank you very much and happy birthday once again, BNCA.